students, very good morning. This is our maths class. In maths, we have started multiplication and you all have done the sums up to practice time 5, that is multiplication by 100, 10 and 1000. Today we will start with properties of multiplication. Now what are the properties of multiplication? The product of a number multiplied by 0 will always be 0. The product of a number multiplied by 1 will always be the number itself. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then the change in the order of the numbers multiplied does not change the product. So let us see the properties. First property is when any number is multiplied by 0 will always be 0. If I am taking 4 into 0, 4 zeros are 0. Whichever number we are taking, whatever number is there, if we multiply it by 0, the answer will always be 0 only. Any number multiplied with 0 will be 0. Next is any number multiplied by 1. If I am taking 52 into 1 is equal to 52. It will be the number itself. Any number multiplied by 1 will be the number itself. If it's 182 into 1, it will be 182. Okay, this is the second property. And third property is the order change. Now what is the order change? In addition also, we have done the same thing, order change. If I am taking 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. See, order of the numbers are changed, but the product is the same. Product is the same, that is result. Answer will be the same. So if I am writing 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. Both have the same answer. Understood? Here one example is given. See, 53 into 25 is answer 1325. And 25 into 53 is equal to 1325. Even we change the order, that is, if I am taking 53 after the 25 or 25 before the 53, answer will be the same. Product is the same even we change the order of the number. So these are the three properties of multiplication. First, when 0 is multiplied by any number you can take. 64 into 0 is equal to 64 into 0 is equal to 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. 1 multiplied by any number will be the number itself. Any number we can take, but when we are multiplying by 1, the result will be the number itself. And third property is the change of order of the numbers. Even if we change the order of the number, the product is the same. So these are the questions. Filling the blanks. 11 multiply 0, 0. Dash into 22 is equal to 22. Now, which number we will multiply with 22? So that we will get the product 22, that is the result, by 1. Understood? These questions are based on the properties of multiplication. You go through it. Next is the word problems. Now what are the word problems? It is the story of the sums. Sums are given in the story form. There are 72 children in one section of class 5. How many children will be there altogether in 4 sections? If each section has the same number of children. So first of all, we have to find out the given numbers. Which numbers are given? Number of children in one section. How many children in one section? 72. Number of children in 4 sections. 4 sections are there. So we have to multiply with the single section number, that is the 72 into 4. Make the table like this way and find out the answer. We will do first sum. See, there are 12 students in one row. How many students will be there in 4 such rows of a class? So I will write answer. First of all, we have to write number of students in one row is equal to 12. How many students will be there in 4 such rows of a class? Number of rows, how many? 4. What we have to find out? Number of students. So we will write here total number of students is equal to 12 number of students in one row into number of rows, 12 into 4. So make here table 12 into 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Last we have to write the answer. Thus there are 48 students in 4 rows. You can write 4 rows or there are 48 students in all together. This is the way in which we write the word problems. Whenever word problems are given, we have to write the answer in this way. First of all, we have to mention the numbers given and then we have to solve the answer. And last, we have to write the answer in one sentence like this. There are 48 students in altogether. Okay.